National Party, thank you po magaling. So ngayon araw natin magbibigay tayo ng certificate of appreciation sa mga pumunta ng kandidat first CMC project noong April 2, Bebe Santo. So simulan natin sa individual na dumating ng representante ng mga chapter. So simulan natin sa Spearman chapter, si Bro Sis Jerry Pia. Okay. Certificate of appreciation. This certificate is proudly present to Bro Sis Jerry Pia, Spearman Chapter, in honor of your compassionate spirit, generous action, and dedicated participation in the Caridad 2026 Charity Program of Knights of Metro Manila. Chapter Master of Ceremony in solemn observance of Holy Week, given this 9th day of April 2026 at KMM National Office, Caloocan City, Metro Manila, Philippines. Congrats! Salamat po.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, next. Thank you. Appreciated. Salamat po sa pagsusunod ulit. Please, Pia. So, pag hindi ko lang po wala dito, ang ating sis from Boston chapter, si Sis Jovi E. Perez. Ngunit siya nasa probinsya. So, sis, salamat po. Ito po yung certificate. So, sunod natin from Hammer Knights chapter na pupunta, si Sis Divine Grace David, si Sis Mami D. So, wala din po siya ngayon. So, ito po yung salamat po, appreciating pagpunta niyo. Kalidad. So, sunod natin ang naging host ng chapter CMC project na naging host ng lugar, ang Valor Knights chapter, no? Salamat sa inyo. So, wala ang Valor sa mga visit sila. So, ito po, Valor Knights, salamat po. So, next natin, nasa Bicol daw sila, sabi, Vikings chapter. So, salamat po Vikings chapter. Salamat po sa mag-attend at makikisa sa aming proyekto. So, next natin. So, tawagin natin si National Treasurer, Sis Madam. Para sa aking Tony chapter. Tony. So, nagpunta si Tony. Salamat. So, Certificate of Appreciation. This certificate is proudly present to Teutonic Knights Chapter in honor of your compassionate spirit, generous action, and dedicated participation in the Caridad 2026 Charity Program of Knights of Metro Manila, Chapter Master of Ceremony, in solemn observed Holy Week, given this 9th day of April 2026 at KMM National Office, Caloocan City, Metro Manila. Congratulations.
Picture. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. So next po natin is para sa susunod natin Raven Knights chapter. Headed by James Drake and National Assistant Secretary. So, certificate of appreciation. This certificate is proudly presented to Raven Knights chapter in honor of your compassionate spirit, generous action, and dedicated participation in the Caridad 2026 Charity Program of Knights of Metro Manila. Chapter Master of Ceremony in solemn observance of Holy Week, given this 9th day of April 2026 at KMM National Office, Caloocan City, Metro Manila, Philippines. Congrats, Raven Knights chapter.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, salamat. So, next natin, wala ko nakarating from my chapter division. Gregorian Knights chapter from Santa Maria, Bulacan. Salamat sa mga provinces na umakinig. So, ito tatago ko na lang, bibigay ko na natin. So, last but not the least, ang ating matitikas na chapter, matikas na mga provinces from chapter Gladiator Knights chapter. Headed by Sis Bilog GK.
Nanay o tatay?
Nanay tatay. May brosis eh.
So tara. Okay na po. So,
Tatay ko to eh.
Patay mo na.
Sir
Yan
David.
kami sa atin eh.
Patay.
Okay na?